How to connect HP printer to Wi-Fi. Using HP Smart App. Install the HP Smart App on your computer. Connect the printer using the USB cable and select Add Printer or a plus sign. Follow the on-screen instructions to add the printer. Once the app displays your printer, click on Printer Settings. Go to Advanced Settings, then Wireless Setup Wizard. Select the required Wi-Fi network and click Next. Enter the password of the network and select Next. Using LCD panel. If your HP printer has an LCD screen that you can use to navigate its control panel, you can directly configure the wireless settings through it. Ensure your printer is in the router's range and disconnect any USB or Ethernet cables connected to the printer. Go to the Wireless, Network, or Setup Settings menu and choose Wireless Setup Wizard. Pick your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the password and select OK. Using WPS push button. Push the button, Wi-Fi, on your printer. To accomplish this for HP printers without a touch screen, press the wireless button for 5 seconds till the light starts to flash. Hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 minutes until the connection begins. Wait until you see the wireless bar or light on the printer stop flashing. There you go, your printer is now connected to the Wi-Fi network.